My purse showed up in the mail today, and when I was looking for information about it online, there wasn't a lot of information about all the different pockets, so I'll show you real quick. The first pocket is a little pocket. The next pocket is a velvety lined one, real soft. The back of it isn't as soft. These things do come all the way off. So if you didn't want to use them and you wanted to put like a camera or something in there, you could. They do come off. You could move them left or right, put them in there differently. These things latch into rings so that people can't open them. And this one latches to itself. Inside of this clasp, it latches to itself. Inside the main compartment, inside the main compartment, they have where your cards are blocked from scanning them. And you can put your cards. This one looks big enough for like a big cell phone. Not for your credit cards. Maybe a pen. Bunch of credit cards. Big cell phone. And then on the other side, like if you put your cash in there, and then behind that, it's like a furry lined spot for like a 10-inch tablet. And then there's this weird little key ring attached. It doesn't like stretch out or nothing, so I don't know how you would use it. It's not like on a retractable ring or nothing. It's just doesn't come out far enough to really unlock anything. Maybe if you put your keys on it on a retractable ring, you could use it. On the back of the purse, well, this one closes and latches with that same thingy. This thing has like, if you're sitting at a restaurant, you can latch this around like something, like around something where you're sitting, like maybe in a shopping cart you could latch it around something or at a chair. On the back of the purse, there's another little zipper compartment. Normal lining, not furry lining. Then there's a little slot here. Not very big. Can't see it, but not very big. And then on the side here of the purse, it has a tiny little bit of mesh. And it expands when you unzip it. You could get like a water bottle or a cell phone shoved in there. Let me pause this and I'll show you. There, I got my cell phone in there. It's in there tightly, it wouldn't fall out. That's a pretty big cell phone. There's no pocket here. On the other side, there is no pocket on the other side. These straps do have that where you can't cut them, that it has that wire in them, but they feel soft. They look pretty long. It seems like they're adjustable.